99% of entrepreneurs are using AI wrong, and it's costing them time, money, and growth. But the most successful AI leaders follow 7 key habits that make them unstoppable. If you want to scale your business with AI, you need to master these habits fast. Stay until the end because habit number 7 is a game changer that can 10x your productivity overnight. Let's start with habit number 1. Think exponentially, not incrementally. If you think small, you'll stay small. AI leaders don't automate tasks. They rethink the entire industry. Elon Musk doesn't just build cars. He builds AI-powered self-driving systems to replace human drivers. So it begs the question of how can we apply in our current situation when adapting to AI? One example would be, don't just automate emails. Build an AI-driven sales funnel, a marketing funnel. Instead of hiring a team, use AI chatbots and virtual assistants to scale fast. If you're still thinking about small steps, AI will replace you. But if you think big, you use AI to dominate your industry. So habit number 2, automate and delegate relentlessly. AI leaders don't waste time on manual work. They automate it and focus on strategy. Let's have an example. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, doesn't do repetitive tasks. He let AI assistants handle them so he can focus on high-impact decisions. So how can we apply this? We automate customer service with AI chatbots. Use AI-powered dashboards for instant data insights. Imagine cutting your workload 50% overnight. AI leaders do this. Why aren't you? Habit number 3, become a lifelong learner of AI. AI evolves fast. If you're not learning, you're already behind. Example, Lex Fridman, AI experts weekly to stay ahead of the game. AI isn't just a tool, it's a revolution. And the smartest leaders adapt first. So how are we going to apply this? Spend 15 minutes daily testing AI tools like ChatGPT, Flowise, Claude, and so many other tools out there. Follow AI thought leaders on LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube. Most entrepreneurs will wait 5 years to take AI seriously. It's too late. Habit number 4, make AI understandable for everyone. AI isn't just for tech geeks. The best AI leaders translate complex AI ideas into simple business solutions. Example, Andrew Ng, Google Brain, simplified AI so non-tech business owners could use to automate operations. We can apply this in a few ways. We can teach your team and clients how AI benefits them without complex jargon, or use no-code AI tools like Make.com and Zapier to automate workflows easily. If you can't explain how AI helps your business in 60 seconds, you're not using it right. Habit number 5, focus on AI ethics and responsible scaling. AI can scale business fast, but if you use it irresponsibly, it can destroy your reputation even faster. For example, Geoffrey Hinton, deep learning pioneer, warns that unethical AI use leads to lawsuits, distrust, and failure. So let's apply this in a few scenarios. We protect customer data privacy. That's one of the big things that we can apply. We can be transparent about AI's role in your business. If you don't use AI ethically, it will backfire. And when it does, your business won't survive. Habit number 6, experiment first, then scale fast. AI leaders don't wait for the perfect AI solution. They test fast, fail fast, and scale what works. For example, Ben Kortzel, SingularityNet, constantly experiments with AI applications before making them mainstream. How can we apply this in our situation? We can apply this when we want to test AI in marketing, sales, and customer service. Once you see results, scale AI adoption across your business. The fastest learner wins. If you're waiting for the perfect AI, you're already losing. And habit number 7, play the long game. AI is a marathon, not a sprint. The smartest AI leaders don't chase short-term needs. They build strategies that last for decades. Example, Kai-Fu Lee, AI superpowers author, predicted China's AI dominance over a decade ago and build billion-dollar businesses on that vision. So how can we apply it in our situation? We can apply it by thinking 3 to 5 years ahead. Start integrating AI into your long-term strategy today. Avoid chasing AI hype. Focus on sustainable AI-driven growth. AI isn't a hack. It's the future of business. If you don't plan long-term, you'll be left behind. So there you have it. These 7 habits separates AI pioneers from those who get left behind. AI isn't just a tool, it's a mindset. Master these habits and you'll dominate the AI revolution. So which of these habits do you think the most important to you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'll be curious to know. If you want more AI-driven business strategies, hit that subscriber button below. And if you're serious about integrating AI into your business, check out my community, AI Unicorns by Flowise AI. Link in the description below. And if you decide to join right now to take the first step, then I will see you inside. If not, I will see you on my next video.